Imagine creating 700 videos in just 18 minutes. Sounds impossible? Let's dive in and see how it's done. With the power of AI, you can now generate engaging YouTube shorts quickly and efficiently. This guide will show you how to create 700 videos in just 18 minutes. YouTube Shorts offer high engagement through interactive content and provide monetization opportunities through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and merchandise sales. Start by using ChatGPT to generate riddles. Prompt it as a riddles expert, structure the riddles in a table format, and scale by generating hundreds of riddles in batches. Next, design your videos in Canva. Create a template, add riddles, animate elements, and include a countdown timer to increase engagement. Automate the bulk creation process by importing riddles into Canva, connecting data, and generating multiple shorts at once. Download all your shorts as MP4 files and organize them into folders to streamline the upload process. Optimize your shorts by using ChatGPT to generate titles, descriptions, and tags. Schedule uploads and add trending hashtags to increase visibility. Monetize your shorts through AdSense, affiliate marketing, and merchandise. Earn revenue from ads, promote products, and offer exclusive content.